We saw in a previous tutorial how to import a shape, a board image on our outline, and how, with the custom outline, we could not make the outline corresponding to the image that we imported. The shape of the fish requires us to use a custom tail. The back stitch will be raised and we will do a swallowtail. We are simply going to use the add custom tail function, and there is a little trick here. We are going to find the second point here, and we just merge the 2 points here, and so we go up to make our custom tail in this way. We're going to zoom in a little, and so we go back to the tail. So here, in this case, with the point on the outside here, we take and pull it up to x equals 0. Otherwise our board would not have a tail at 0. This is the only small detail. Little bit special otherwise, here we align our points with our model here. We can regularize them a little bit anyway, if I select with Control like that. And I have the selection distances equalized, here we can go back up a little here. Here we admit, and therefore we apply. We see here our fish which was with its custom outline, but without custom tail. Well, we come here to apply the custom tail to our set our board, and that's it. So here in our shape space, we see that now we have a custom tail and a custom outline. This custom tail, if we like it, what we can do is save it for a next board. So there in the project tree I just selected my custom tail here. And right-click in the library, save custom tail as, and here I'm going to call it Bobfish Tail. Okay, here is our board with its custom tail.